In 2018, NASA received a distress signal from Mars. When decoded, it contained just 5 words: "My battery is running low." After that, humanity sent 835 commands. Mars answered with silence. You might think this is science fiction. It's not. And the sender wasn't a human astronaut. It was a robot the size of a golf cart. Its name was Opportunity. NASA originally designed it to survive 90 Martian days. Instead, it endured 15 years. Engineers told it to travel 1 kilometer. It traveled 45 kilometers, wearing down its own wheels until it could barely move. Once, it became stuck. NASA engineers stayed up all night designing a rescue plan. The next morning, they checked the data. It had freed itself. To this day, no one can fully explain how. For 15 years, over 5,000 sols, its daily routine never changed. It woke up, watched the Martian sunrise, and sent a message to Earth: "I'm still alive." Then came the storm. The sky darkened. The sun disappeared. With its final remaining energy, it sent one last message. That was the end. When NASA announced the official end of the mission, a room full of veteran rocket engineers broke down in tears. Opportunity wasn't alone. Back in 2003, NASA launched 2 rovers to Mars, Spirit and Opportunity. Their mission was simple: find water. Because where there is water, there may be life. The 2 rovers landed on opposite sides of Mars over 10,000 kilometers apart. They never met, never even exchanged images. Spirit was unlucky. In 2009, its wheels sank into soft soil, like stepping into quicksand. NASA built a full-scale replica on Earth, trying to free it. They failed. In 2010, Spirit went silent forever. Cause of failure: immobilization. Opportunity was different. It was absurdly lucky. NASA planned to land it on a flat plane. Instead, a sudden gust pushed it off course and dropped it into a small crater. Engineers thought the mission was over. Then the images arrived. The crater walls exposed layered bedrock. Other rovers had to dig to see this. Opportunity could study it without moving. The luck was unreal, like throwing a dart blindfolded at a world map and hitting oil. And that wasn't even the best part. Opportunity soon discovered countless small blue spheres embedded in Martian rock, each about the size of a blueberry. Analysis showed they were hematite concretions, and hematite can only form in the presence of liquid water. In other words, with a handful of blueberries, Opportunity proved that Mars once had water, possibly oceans. This discovery changed everything. Mars was no longer seen as a frozen desert. Billions of years ago, it may have been more habitable than Earth. Over its lifetime, Opportunity sent back over 210,000 images, climbed slopes steeper than 32 degrees, and completed the first marathon on Mars, 42 kilometers. It took 11 years. Its average speed? 0.004 kilometers per hour. Even a snail on Earth would laugh. But it finished.